Hey guys, for my second new technology, I chose Nearpod. This was something I was introduced to during my undergrad. I had a whole class devoted to technology and social studies, which I think was awesome. So Nearpod is kind of like Kahoot, where students get a code assigned to their class, and they log on, and everything that you put on your screen gets projected onto theirs. So if I have a PowerPoint, they see the PowerPoint. When I click next slide, they get to see the next slide. When I assign things, they get to see it as well. So I'm gonna see what I have for my undergrad. Wish me luck. So, I guess my trial ended. But these are some ones that I've already made. So you can do a live lesson or student paced. So when you do a live lesson, that's when you're controlling it and you're going through it, clicking the slides for them to keep them on pace. But if you want them to just be able to look at it on their own, you can do student paced. So here's the code that I would use for this. You can send it through Remind, email. I can put it on social media if I'm feeling wild. So these are some of the things that I did. You can do quizzes and like different polls and stuff. So this one would be more of a free response question. It'll tell you who answered what. So if Timmy answers B, it'll come up right here and it'll show me like who did what. It'll show me the percentage of correct and incorrect. So it's just super awesome. You can go through all the slides. You can give feedback kind of right away. For this one, I have fill in the blanks. So on a student's end, they would drag them where they need to go. And then I have their study guide right here. I actually made this for one of my volleyball girls that I coach, who actually doesn't even go to the same school that I'm at, and she just needed some extra help, so I sent her a link to this. So kind of just going through what I have. I can always add a new activity. There's a fun one called Draw It. You can add where they can draw stuff. I think I have a few in here. So yeah, it's just a super cool way to get students interested, and my kids love technology, so I think that is awesome that they really like doing this. So the student-paced version of this, I cannot access right now. I think if you can upgrade for free. I'll probably do this for my classroom for the next semester as we go to that one-to-one technology initiative. So this is awesome when you want kids to have access to your slides, access to your PowerPoints and your presentations, literally at the click of a button. You can create new ones, and it's awesome. You can drag and drop your PowerPoint slides in. You can add pictures. You can add games. It's super interactive. This is actually one of my favorite resources. So I'm going to start using this as we get more technology in my classroom. So this is one of my favorites, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you.